I am going to braid my hair, and I'm going to let it stay braided for, I think, a few days. This is a follow-up to my previous video where I used the Apple Cider Vinegar Rinse hair and scalp rinse on my hair, and I also used that same type of shampoo by Nature's Love. And right now, as I said in the previous video, I am going to braid my hair, and I'm going to let it stay braided for, I think, a few days. And I'll be wearing my hair wrapped because this will not be braids that I will be wearing out in public. So here I go. I'm always leaving out one lock all the time. I'm just gonna let this, I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, almost out. And I'm gonna join it in right here. And that's how it's gonna be in there. There it is again, guys. another one I left out. After I get off camera, I may add that one into the front twist. I'm gonna do 2 more braids in the back off camera, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I have added in that lock that was left out on the side, and I am now braiding my last braid. And I will be wearing this until I get ready to do my braid out. Grabbing a goodie clip just to take a look at something. My hair is done. I'm getting ready for bed, but I'm gonna do a 360. Have a good night. Good morning, good morning. Last night I braided my hair, put this goodie clip on the back. I'm gonna do a 360 for you. And now I'm on my way out to the salon, and I said that I was going to do a head wrap. But I ran across what my mama would call a tam that has a lining in it. I've had this for years and years. So this is what I'm going to wear today. And I just wanted to come in and show you my look. You know, I have to get it just right. And I hope my son would approve of the way I'm wearing this, because I know he wears something like this in the military, and he does it his way that they have to, but I don't have to. So this is my look for today. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Have a great day. I almost forgot the last 360, but I like this. I really do. And I may change this to a black one.